everyone, my name is Kelly. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how I groom and shape my eyebrows. All the tools you need are a spoolie, scissors, tweezers, and a razor. A brush and a brow pencil are optional. To do so, you need to know what shape you like for your eyebrows. For me, I want my eyebrows to have a little arc. It's just suitable for my face. If it is the first time you do this, you can map out the shape you like with a brow pencil, and it's easier to work from there. I didn't do it, but I'm gonna show you how you can do it. First, you want to find 3 points on your brow for the mapping. Put a brow pencil or a brush to create a straight line from the side of your nose up to the beginning of the brow. Your brow should start from there. Mark the first point. Next point is the arc. Create a straight line from the top of your nose to the pupil of your eye when you look straight into the mirror. It's gonna be the highest part of your eyebrows. When you're doing this, you want to feel for the brow bone, and you also want to pay attention to where your natural arc is. Last point is where the tail ends. Create a straight line from the corner of your nose to outer corner of the eye and mark the point where the tail ends. When you have all 3 points, connect those points and we can start working. Now I use the spoolie to brush my brow hair into place so I can see all the hairs on the upper and lower side of my brow that need to be removed. Next step, I use the razor to shave all the hairs outside of the lines until I got close to my desired thickness from the beginning of the brow to the tail. I saw a lot of tutorials in which they used tweezers to pluck out the brow hairs first, but I don't personally do that first because I want to do things fast and less painful. You should put the razor an angle 45 degrees from your skin, not straight into the skin or too flat, because you don't want to cut yourself or worse, cut your brow off. Then I used a spoolie and pushed the brow hairs upwards and shaved the lower part of the brow. Remember to go slow and really be careful when you get close to the line. Always stop and have a look from far away to make sure you are following the shape you want. I went fast because I have done this so many times, but I still remember the first time I did this, my hands were sweating like crazy. Don't worry, you will get the hang of it later on. If this is your first time using the razor ever, I recommend you to try a practice shaving on your hands or your legs first. Don't go straight to your face right away. For the lower part, you can use your other hand to pull and stretch the skin a little bit to make it easier to shave, and remember to go slow. Then use your hand or any makeup brush to swipe away the hairs. I also shaved the middle part between my eyebrows as I have a little bit hair there. It looks more neat and clean now, but as you can see, my brow hairs are a little bit long, so I'm gonna use scissors to cut them short a bit. Brush the brow hairs upwards and cut slowly. Make sure you don't do it too fast, then you will regret it. Slow and steady, little by little. Always check yourself from far away. Then brush the brow hair downwards to cut the middle part and the tail. Lastly, I can still see some extra hairs that I want to pluck out, so I took the tweezers and plucked them out. If you don't want to, it's okay now, as long as you are happy with the result. Remember to pluck in the direction where the hairs grow so it hurts less. I'm not gonna lie, the plucking part is not that fun to do. I have done this a lot of times, so I can tolerate the pain. If this is your first time or you have really sensitive skin, you can use some ice pack or an ice cube covered by a cloth to numb the area about 30 seconds beforehand, and apply some baby oil or creams to soothe that area afterwards. So it's done for this side, and now I just did the same thing for the other side. Just try your best to make them symmetrical. They are not twins, but at least you want them to look like sisters, not strangers, right? And that's it, guys. Here's the before and after. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more tutorial videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.